Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you a quick fix for a common problem for this jet flame lighter. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video. This lighter is not lighting. You can see there is enough gas and there is spark. The spark should goes into the burner inside. Instead it's jumping outside. See, all you have to do is pull out this wire. Pull out the wire like this a bit. If there is any carbon contamination on the tip, you can clean it with a sandpaper or something abrasive. Now you bend this towards the burner inside. You can remove some insulation from the tip if you need to, but only a little. Now bend it towards the burner. Like this. That's it. Push down a bit more. Thank you for watching my video friend. Like, share, subscribe and enable the bell icon if you like the video.